Great day, grade 5. Welcome back to our Valenzuela Live in Mathematics 5. So how's your Christmas and New Year's vacation? Did you receive your gifts from your Ninong and Nina? Very good. By the way, I am Sir Michael L. de la Cueva from Disciplina Village, Bignay Elementary School. And for your attendance, kindly type present, your name, and the name of your school. I know that you are all excited to watch again the Valenzuela Live, especially in mathematics, right? Okay. So in this lesson, you will be able to estimate the products of decimal numbers with reasonable results and solve routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of decimals and whole numbers including money using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. And for your first activity, this is what we call word hunt. Your task is to find the mathematical words that you can find in our puzzle. I will give you 60 seconds. It can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. You can use the comment section to type your answer. And your time starts now. Come. Okay, time's up. Let us check if you found all the mathematical words in our puzzle. So let us check. We have the word approximate, factors, decimal, product. We also have add, subtract, of course, multiply, and estimate. And the last one is round off. Great job, grade 5. And we will have a short review about the last lesson last year, which is the multiplication of decimal number. So let us add times 436 and 9/10 multiplied by 3 and 5/10. First, let us multiply 5 times 9. We have 45. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 4. We have 34. And then 5 times 3 is equal to 15 plus 3. We have 18. And 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1, we have 21. And 3 times 9 is what? Very good. 27. And how about 3 times 6? Very good. It is 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Plus 2 is equal to 11. And 3 times 4 is equal to, very nice, 12. Plus 1, it is equal to 13. And then add, bring down 5. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. And then 8 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 9. 1 plus 1, 4 equals to 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And bring down 1. In the next step, count the decimal number of the factors. We have 2 decimal places. Next, move the decimal point twice from right to left. 1, 2. Let's put the decimal point here. Then the final answer is 1,529 and 15 hundredths. Okay, another example. 62 and 1900s multiplied by 4 and 2 tenths. We have 2 times 9 is equal to 18. And 2 times 1, of course, 2 plus 1, we got 3. How about 2 times 2? Very good. We have 4. And 2 times 6 is 12. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. And 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3, it will become 7. Then 4 times 2 is 8. And then the last one, 4 times 6 is, very good, 24. And then add. Bring down 8. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Plus 1 is equal to 11. And 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Plus 1 is equal to 6. Bring down 2. Again, count the number of decimal places of the factors. We have 3 decimal places. So we need to move the decimal point thrice from right to left. 1, 2, 3. And put the decimal here. So the final answer is 261 and 198 thousandths. Okay. Now, for our first lesson is estimating the product of decimal numbers. But do you know what the word estimate means? Grade 5? Alright, that's good. Estimate means to find something close to the correct answer. Meaning to say, we need to get the approximate answer. Not necessarily the exact answer, but a possible or the closest to answer, to final answer. So, let us try. For our first POTD or problem of the day, let us read. Aslan's Cafe sold 5,112 pieces of donuts every week that cost 36 pesos and 75 cents each. Estimate how much money the cafe collected from pieces of donuts. Now, let us answer what is asked in the problem. You can use the comment section to type your answer. Okay, very good. The estimated amount collected from pieces of donuts. How about what are the given facts? Very nice. It is 512 pieces of donuts and 36 pesos and 75 cents each. How about this one? What is the operation to be used? Great job, grade 5. It is multiplication. And how about what is the number sentence? Can you make and formulate an equation using the given facts? Okay, very good. We have 5,112 times 36 pesos and 75 cents approximately equal to N, where N is the total amount collected from the pieces of donut. And then next, we need to solve, of course. And grade 5, listen very carefully because these are the steps on how to estimate the product of decimal numbers. So first step, we need to write the factors in column. Like this one. 512 times 36 and 75 cents. Second step, round each number to the highest place value. Okay, highest place value. Grade 5. Meaning to say, in the first factor, we have 5,112. The highest factor is in thousand place. And remember, if the number to be rounded off is followed by less than 5, we will round down. And if the number to be rounded up is greater than 5, we will round up. Then, replace all the remaining digits by 0. Let us apply. So, going back to our example, 5,112. Let us round off. The number to be rounded off is 5, followed by 1, which is less than 5. So, we will round down. Very good. and then replace all the remaining digits by 0. So 5,112 will become 5,000. Very good, grade 5. How about 36 and 75 hundredths? Let us round off to the highest place value. And the number to be rounded off is 3, followed by 6, which is greater than 5. Right? So we will round up. Very good. So we need to add 1 to 3 and then replace all the remaining digits by 0. So we will become 36 and 75 hundredths will become 40. Okay, again. First step, write the factors in column. Second, round each factor to the highest place value. And then next, multiply the rounded factors. And as you can see in our example, we are multiplying the base of 10. And we just simply count the number of zeros. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just write the product, 6 zeros, and then multiply the remaining digits, which is 4 times 5. What is 4 times 5? Very good. It is equal to 20. And then apply, counting the decimal numbers in our factors. We have 2 decimal places. So move the decimal point to the right twice. 1, 2. So let us put the decimal point here. So the answer is 200,000. Therefore, the estimated amount collected from pieces of donuts is 200,000. I hope you can follow grade 5. Again, these are the steps on how to estimate the product of decimals. So first, write the factors in column. Second, round each factor to the greatest place value. And the third one is multiply the rounded factor. Now, let's have the first activity. Estimate the product by rounding off each factor to the highest place value. Let us try to answer 195 and 45 hundredths times 37 and 5 tenths is approximately equal to. So I will give you 15 seconds to answer. You can use the comment section to type your answer. And your time starts now. Time's up. So let us apply. First, write the factors in column. And then get the rounded factors to the highest place value. Again, the rounded number is 1, followed by 9, which is greater than 5. So we will round up. So we will add 1 to 1. And then replace all the remaining digits by 0. It will become 200. Next, 37 and 5 tenths, the number to be rounded off is 3. And then followed by 7, which is greater than 5. Again, we will round up. Very good. So 37 and 5 tenths will become 40. Again, multiply the rounded factors. Count the number of zeros. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 zeros. And then multiply the remaining digits, which is 4 times 2, is equal to, great job, 8. Then count the decimal places of the factors. We have 3 decimal places. So let us move the decimal point to the thrice from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Let's put the decimal point here. Then the final answer is 8,000. I hope that you got the correct answer. How about the second activity? 748 and 25 hundredths times 4 and 8 tenths is approximately equal to what? Again, you have 15 seconds to answer. Get your ball pen and notebook. Okay, your time starts now. Time's up. So again, write the factors in column and then get the rounded factors. So the number to be rounded off is 7, followed by 4, which is less than 5. So we will round down. Very good. So 748 and 25 hundredths will become 700. And then the second factor, the number to be rounded off is 4, followed by 8, which is greater than 5, right? So we will round up. So 4 and 8 tenths will become 5. And then multiply the rounded factors. Again, count the number of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write it, 5 zeros, and then multiply the remaining digits, which 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Again, count the number of decimal places. We have 3 decimal places, and we need to move the decimal point thrice from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Then put the decimal point here. Then the answer is 3,500. Very good. Last one. 6,935 and 2 tenths times 21 and 3 tenths is approximately equal to what? Again, you have 15 seconds and your time starts now. Time's up. So again, write the factors in column. Then get the rounded factors. And then the number to be rounded off is 6. Followed by 9, which is again greater than 5. We will round down or up. Okay, round up. So 6,935 and 2 tenths will become 7,000. And then 21 and 3 tenths, the number to be rounded off is 2. Followed by 1, which is less than 5. Of course, we will round down. And 21 and 3 tenths will become 20. Then multiply the rounded factors. Count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 zeros. Then multiply 2 times 7. We have 14. Then again, count the number of decimal places. We have 2 decimal places. So we need to move the decimal point twice. Put a decimal point here. Then the answer is 140,000. Very good, grade 5. And for our second lesson, grade 5, which is solving problems involving multiplication of decimals. Okay, let us try. For our POTD number 2, Mary May prepared sandwiches for birthday party of her younger brother. She bought 6 loaves of bread at 35 pesos each, 2 bottles of mayonnaise at 55 pesos and 50 cents a bottle, and 1 and 5/10 kilogram of ham at 240 pesos per kilogram. How much change did she receive for her 1,000 peso bill? Now, let us answer what is asked. Again, you can use the comment section to type your answer. Great job, grade 5. The answer is Mary May's change from her 1,000 peso bill. And what are the given facts? Good job, grade 5. We have 6 loaves of bread at 35 pesos each, 2 bottles of mayonnaise at 55 pesos and 50 cents each. We have also 1 and 5/10 kilogram of ham at 240 pesos per kilogram, and of course, the 1,000 peso bill. Now, what are the operations to be used? Good job, grade 5. We have multiplication, addition, and subtraction. How about what is the number sentence? Can you formulate an equation using the given facts in our problem? Very nice. Grade 5. So it is 1,000 minus 6 times 35 pesos plus 2 times 55 pesos and 50 cents plus 1 and 5/10 times 240 pesos is equal to N, where N is the change of Mary Mays in her 1,000 peso bill. Now, let us solve. Let us multiply 6 times 35 pesos, 2 times 55 pesos and 50 cents, 1 and 5/10 times 240 pesos. First, multiply 6 times 35. We have 2 zeros. Then multiply 6 times 5 is equal to what? Very good. Is equal to 30. And then 6 times 3 is equal to, very nice, 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. And then count the number of decimal places. We have 2 decimal places. Move the decimal point to the right twice. 1, 2. Put the decimal point. So the final answer is 210 pesos. How about 2 times 55 pesos and 50 cents? We have 1 0 and then multiply 2 times 5. We got 10. 2 times 5, 10 also, plus 1, it will become 11. Then 2 times 5 is also 10, plus 1 equals to 11. Then move the decimal point twice. We have 111 pesos. Last one, 1 and 5/10 times 240 pesos. We have 3 zeros. Multiplied 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 5 times 2, very good, is equal to 10. Plus 2, okay, equals to 12. And then 1 times 240, of course, let us copy 240. Then add. Bring down 4 zeros. Add 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then count the number of decimal places. We have 3 decimal places. Let us move the decimal point thrice from right to left. Okay. So put the decimal point here. So the answer is 360 pesos. Then let us add 210 pesos, 111, and 360 pesos. Again, let us refresh. In adding decimal numbers, we need to align the decimal point, right? So, in here example, it's already aligned. So, let us add. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 8. And 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 6. We have 681 pesos. Then, let us subtract 681 pesos from her 1,000 peso bill. Let's subtract. 1,000 minus 681. Again, it is the same when adding decimal number. We need to align the decimal point before we subtract. Okay. So, let us subtract. 0 minus 1. Oh, cannot be, right? So, we need to regroup. 1. So, 0 will become 10, followed by 9, and then 1 will become 0. Then we can subtract. 10 minus 1. Very good. We have 9. How about 9 minus 8? Very nice. 1. And then last one, 9 minus 6 is 3. So the answer is 319. Therefore, Mermaid's change is 319 pesos. How about this POTD? And you will be the one to answer, and you can use your ball pen and notebook to solve this problem. And I will give you 60 seconds to answer. And your time starts now. Time's up, grade 5. Let us read. Jana bought 2 notebooks at 48 pesos and 50 cents each. If her money was a 200 peso bill, how much would be her change? Let us check if your answer is correct. I hope that you get the correct answer. So, what is asked in the problem? We have Jana's change from her 200 peso bill. And then, what are the given facts? Very good. We have 2 notebooks at 48 pesos and 50 cents and 200 peso bill. Again, and what are the operations to be used? Very good, grade 5. It is multiplication and subtraction. How about what is the number sentence? Kindly use the given facts to formulate the number sentence. Great job, grade 5. We have 200 pesos minus 2 times 48 pesos and 50 cents equals to n, where n is the change of Jana Joy from her 200 peso bill. Now, let us solve. So, 48 and 50 cents times 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5, we have 10. And then 2 times 8 is what? Great job. 16. Plus 1, 17. And then 2 times 4, we have 9. And then count the number of decimal places. Do not forget. So we have 2 decimal places. Let us move the decimal point twice from right to left. Okay, we have 97 pesos. Then let us subtract. After multiplying, let us subtract 97 from 200. So 200 minus 97. Again, align the decimal point before you subtract. So 0 minus 7 cannot be again. So we need to regroup 2. So 2 will become 1. This 0 will become 9. And the last 0 will become 10. Then we can now subtract. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. Then bring down 1. We have 103 pesos. Meaning to say, Jana's change is 103 pesos. Okay, now. Okay, grade 5. Let's have an activity. Let us apply all the lessons that we tackled today. So, read and choose the letter of the correct answer. What is the estimated product of 267 and 53 hundredths and 6 and 5/10 if it is rounded to the highest place value? Is it A, 2,000, B, 2,100, C, 2,200, or letter D, 3,200? You will have 15 seconds to answer, and you can use the comment section to type your answer. And your time starts now. Time's up, grade 5. Let us check if your answer is correct. What is your answer? What letter? Very good. The answer is letter B, 2,100. And let us check, why do we get 2,100? First, write the factors in column and then get the rounded factors to the highest place value. So 267 and 53 tenths. The number to be rounded off is 2, followed by 6. So we need to round up. That's why 267 and 53 hundredths will become 300. And then 6 and 5 tenths. The number to be rounded off is 6 followed by 5. It is equal to 5. So we are rounding up. So 6 and 5 tenths will become 7. Then again, count the number of zeros. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then multiply the remaining digits, which is 7 times 3. We have 21. And then we have 3 decimal places. Okay, so the answer is 2,100. I hope that you get the correct answer. Next, number 2. Round off 6,123 and 89 hundredths to the highest place value. Again, it can be A, or B, or C, or D. What is the answer? You have 15 seconds. Okay, time's up. What is your answer? Is it letter A, B, C, or D? The answer is letter A, 6,000. Why? 6,123 and 89 hundredths, the highest place value is 6. Then followed by 1, which is less than 5. Again, we will round down. Very good. So 6,123 and 89 hundredths will become 6,000. That's why the answer is letter A. Great job, grade 5. How about this number 3 activity? Round off 48 and 54 hundredths to the nearest whole number. Is it A, 46, B, 47, C, 48, or letter D, 49? Again, you have 15 seconds. Use the comment section. Time's up, grade 5. What is your answer? Very good. The answer is 49. It is because 48 and 54 hundredths, the whole number to be rounded off is 8. And followed by 5, which is equal to 5. Again, we will round up. That's why 48 and 54 hundredths will become 49. That's why the answer is letter D. Very good, grade 5. Number 4. Estimate the product of 25 and 86 hundredths times 7 and 6 tenths to the nearest whole number. Again, what is your answer? Letter A, B, C, or D? You have 15 seconds. Again, use the comment section. Time's up, grade 5. What is your answer? Is it letter C? If your answer is letter C, then you are correct. Why is it 208? Let us solve. 25 and 86 hundredths times 7 and 6 tenths. Estimate the product to the nearest whole number. So, the number to be rounded off is 5 followed by 8. So, we will round up. So, 25 and 86 hundredths will become 26. And 7 and 6 tenths will become 8. Again, count the number of 0. We have 3 zeros. 8 times 6 is equal to 48. And 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Plus 4, we have 20. Count the decimal places. We have 3. Okay, that's why the answer is letter C. Okay, grade 5. Last number. Which of the following expressions will give an estimated product of 36,000? So, letter A, B, C, or D. Again, you will have 15 seconds to answer. Time's up, grade 5. So, what is your answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? If your answer is letter C, then you are correct. Why, sir? It is because 558 and 8 tenths times 63 and 5 tenths, 558 and 8 tenths will become 600. And then 63 and 5 tenths will become 60. Count the number of zeros. We have 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 6 times 6 is 36. We have 3 decimal places. That's why the answer is 36,000. That's all. Grade 5. Oh, let's move on to question and answer. Do you have any questions, grade 5, to our topic? Just use the comment section to type your question, and our IT support will gather all the questions. Okay? Now, we have a question from Malinta Elementary School. Very good. Sir Mike, why do we need to study how to estimate numbers? Very good question. In real-life situation, estimation is part of our everyday experience. And for your students, estimating is an important skill. And without estimation skill, we are not able to determine if our answer is within a reasonable range. That's why we need to study or learn estimation. Okay, I hope that I answered your question. And if you have any question or queries, you can ask or raise it to your respected math teachers tomorrow in your follow-up discussion. And for your module activity, kindly answer what I can do in pages 16 and 17. And that's all for today. So, again, I hope that you can learn something for today's lesson. And I am Sir Mike from Disciplina Village, Bignay Elementary School. Thank you and goodbye.